going on, y'all? It's Khalid Word with Word Brothers Barbecue here to do another episode for you. And today we are gonna knock out some pickled red onions just for you. Alright, catch you in a minute. Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Khalid Word back with Word Brothers Barbecue. Here to give you a word on barbecue, bourbon, and blues with the Word Brothers and make you the king or queen of your backyard grill house, alright? And today, like I said in the intro, we're going to get into pickled red onions. Now, this is super easy to do. Don't take much time. All you got to do is follow these steps. So, as you can see, I got my red onions. I picked these up from a supermarket, so I'm just going to cut these, cut the front and the back off, and I'm going to cut it down the middle. And what you want to do is, you want to follow, I'm going to peel this top layer off. That's what I like to do. But you know, you do it the way, like I always say, you do it the way you like it. And peel that top layer off. And then I'm going to cut with the lines inside the onion, alright? You don't want to go against the grain. We're going to go with the grain, alright? So you can cut them as thick or as shallow as you want to, right? I like cutting mine like, you know, about midways between. Just like that. And they come apart. You don't got to worry about it. Alright. Spin it around. Do the same thing. Alright. There you go. Now I'm not going to bore you doing the rest of these. I'll come back to you in a minute, show you the next steps, alright? Because it's going to go real quick. Catch you back in a second. Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel with your friends. We'll appreciate it. Alright, so we're back. So to make these onions, what you want to do is boil some water and get it hot, alright? And we just going to dump this water. I'm going to dump it right over these onions. And then I'm going to let that sit for about 2 minutes, alright? Once that sits for 2 minutes, I'm going to take some hot water and mix it, and I'm going to show you what to do with it, alright? Catch you back in 1 second. Alright, so I've had my onions sitting in this colander, or colander, whatever you want to call it.
Colander.
Colander.
What's it called? Colander.
You heard me.
That's a colander.
Alright, so we're back. As you can see, I've already took some of the peppers out of the colander. You want to put them in with hot water. That's going to take some of that onion flavor out just a little bit. Now I'm going to take them, stuff them into these jars. And I'm going to do it two different ways, all right? Just for y'all. Stick some more in this jar. Alright, so I got that done. The next thing you want to do is get you a cup and a half of hot water And then in one, I'm gonna do a cup and a half of red wine vinegar. All right. Now, Skip, you can't drink it. This ain't gonna give you no buzz.
No, it's gonna tear your stomach up.
Into that, I'm gonna drop some sugar, and the measurements will be in the description down below. I'm gonna drop some salt, kosher salt. Drop some crushed red peppers. I'm gonna give myself some of these black peppercorns. Maybe.
You need to get in the weight room. You gotta get in the weight room.
I do. Give me about a palm full of these. All right. Drop them in there. Take that. And in this warm water and mixture, I'm just going to stir it up until the salt and sugar dissolves. All right. All right, it's all dissolved. Smells great. All right. So in this one, I'm going to take my mixture and I'm going to fill it up. That's going to be one. Take it, I'm going to close it real good. Give it a nice little shake. And then in this one, I got some diced jalapenos in there with the seeds. So this one, you know my family likes it a little spicy. So I'm going to drop those diced jalapenos in there and fill it up with this liquid. And then we'll come back to you in a minute. Alright, so I'm back. So I've diced, not diced up, but I've sliced some jalapenos. As you can see, there's a few in there. I'm going to go and get the rest of these in there. Push them down a little bit. Then I'm going to fill this on up. Just like that. Alright. Get this thing shaped. Just like so. As you can see, those seeds are starting to disperse. And then I'm going to just let these chill out. Probably for an hour. Just sitting here. And then I'm going to stick them in the fridge. Let them go overnight. And then we'll tap into them tomorrow. And we'll show you how they are. I'm going to get Skip to tap in and show you how they are, what they tasted like. It's going to be spicy in this one. This one's going to be nice and savory. And now you have your pickled red onions. Alright? Now, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the channel. Check out our other videos. Should be some up top, down below, maybe some sides, wherever they are. Just click them and watch some more videos that'll help you become the king or queen of your backyard barbecues. But today, we're knocking out these pickled red onions. It's gonna take your barbecue to another level. Alright? We'll catch you back on another episode of BbqBourbon&Blues with the Word Brothers. Peace.